you some tips on how to do your antacid lab today. If you think about it, your stomach is pretty acidic, and sometimes people get acid reflux if they eat something that's too acidic. If you have a pretty strong acid in your stomach, it would make sense that you should probably neutralize that a little bit so it doesn't upset you as much. So what you would do is take an antacid, which would be a weak base. So if you do that, it should help neutralize your stomach acid just a little bit. You don't want to neutralize it all the way because then you wouldn't digest your food and then you'd be having other issues. But we do want to neutralize it a little bit to help take the edge off that pain that you're experiencing. So your experiment is going to look at some different antacids and figure out which one is more effective. So you've got a few different solutions you can choose. I just did lemon juice. I also have some soda pops and some vinegar, so you can choose which one you want. Put about an inch in 2 different beakers, and we need to find the starting pH of your solution. In this case, I chose lemon juice, so it's showing me about a 2.1. So this is a pH meter, which will measure the power of the hydrogens in this acidic solution. Next, you need to choose 2 antacids. So let's say I choose this liquidy stuff, and then maybe I choose one of these antacid tablets. Now if I look at the backs of these, they might have the exact same active ingredients, they might not. In this case they don't, but you're going to want to write down what the active ingredients are on each of these, and then you'll put a little bit of this one in here, stir it up, wait about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll take the pH again and see how much it changed. And whichever one changed the pH the most would be considered the most effective antacid. And that's information that would be useful to share with other people. If you do choose a tablet, you may need to use a pill crusher to help break that up into small powder to increase the surface area. So make sure that you write down if you prove your hypothesis or not. So you're going to guess which of these you think will be more effective. And then write down if you proved your hypothesis or not at the end. Good luck.